Oh, that's lovely. Cheers, friends!
Hey there!
Welcome to the Golden Gate Hotel.
First hotel in all of Las Vegas.
Opened in 1906. So this is a small 106-room hotel, but you have access to Circa and the D, so you have all the big resort amenities, which is also really nice. So it's free parking and free valet.
And do not forget to tip.
Another quick room tour. You first have a closet here. Decent space for your luggage. I like the furniture. It seems very modern. This is a queen size bed. There is a safe. A little flat screen TV. This room has no view. But this is definitely the kind of room that you get when you just want a clean bed to sleep in. The bathroom leaves a little bit to be desired. Careful opening the door. I do like to have the lamps with the power plugs built right in. Makes it easy to plug in your chargers, keep things next to the bed. Some built-in USB chargers into the alarm clock. So it doesn't look like you get to set your temperature. It's just either going to be hot air or cold air circulating or not. So we'll see how that works. Got a nice mirror as you walk in, but no full-size mirrors for getting ready. These doors are really nice. Solid wood. Old-time knobs. Surprised they've lasted this long. There's a little dirt down here. They're lazy with the vacuum. All the furniture matches. There's a little wear and tear on the furniture. I love these old baseboards. Oh, that's lovely. Single pane glass. That'll be interesting to see if we can hear Fremont Street tonight. Stain there. And mattresses and a protector. So there's no desk or table to work from here. I have to set up on one of those nightstands.
Now for that all-important Wi-Fi test. Gina and I both work remotely, so it's important that we have good internet connection. During our stay at the Golden Gate, we had no problem staying connected.
The walls and doors are pretty thin, so you're going to be able to hear anything that's going on outside in the hallway, including if you're right next to the ice machine. And surprisingly, for how old the room is, it's not smoky at all. The bathroom is small, comfortable enough for one person to move around in here.
When booking the room, again, I used Google Maps to find the cheapest room in the area. Google Maps searches all those deal websites like Kayak and Expedia, Google found a room at Golden Gate for $8 a night. That's from a website called Last Minute Travel. I've never used them, so I did a quick review search to see what other people's experience has been. And it wasn't good. We also checked Groupon, as Google search does not include this. Sometimes they have a cheaper room rate, or they'll have a package that includes some dining and drinking. And always check the hotel's website, as they may be offering some special promotion or sale. So here, Priceline and Booking are advertising a low room rate, but if you look at the price with taxes and fees that are listed underneath the website's name, you'll see it's the same price as booking directly with Golden Gate Hotel. Now the prices on Google Maps are not guaranteed, so I like to go through the whole process of kind of checking out just to see what the taxes and fees are going to be at the end to get like the real price of the room before giving anybody my money. In Vegas, you're always going to have to deal with a resort fee. Now it's usually about $30, $35 we've seen at most budget hotels, and it goes up from there. So you're usually going to have to pay that no matter what. It doesn't matter where you make your booking from. And this time, Groupon was offering the best room rate, just a few dollars cheaper than the others.
I think the colors that they used in the rooms really gave it that modern feel. There's a nice orange on one side and a cool gray on the other, and this neutral cream in the middle that just kept either one from overpowering.
I would look at the Golden Gate as a boutique hotel. It's small and the rooms were pleasant and comfortable.
The shower had plenty of space and hot water, and the pressure was decent. Pipes rattled a little bit when you cranked the hot water all the way up.
But again, the hotel is over 100 years old. There's a lot of history in these walls, and the Golden Gate is going to keep it.
And they like to show it off as you're walking through the halls of the hotel or through the casino. But once you get to your room, you'll find some modern comforts.
Bed was pretty comfy, and the room was really clean.
And for some travelers like me, that's all we really want. So if you're just looking for a clean place to stay that's close to the action in downtown, I think the Golden Gate is a good value.